Every journey of faith begins in stillness. This is Chloe, learning that fearless doesn't mean unafraid, and limitless doesn't mean without struggle, but walking forward, knowing God is already there. Before courage shows up loud, it usually arrives quietly.
That's when I start questioning myself, my gifts, my voice, even the things I love.
And the hardest voice to face is often the one staring back.
I replay what people said, and sometimes what I think they meant, and I let it sit longer than it should.
Fear's goal is simple: to make you stop before you move.
I felt the pull to shrink, to stay comfortable, but I knew I couldn't stay there.
Fear doesn't disappear when you're ready. It fades when you move anyway.
Fear was still there, but it wasn't leading me anymore.
This is what courage looks like: movement without permission.
So now I move differently. I walk with intention, not hesitation.
When faith leads, fear no longer decides the outcome.
With God, I don't have to live afraid or confused. He gives me peace, and that peace makes me bold. I'm learning to be fearless, and I'm choosing to live limitless.
Before I go, I just want to say thank you. This is my last video of the year, and I'm truly grateful for every moment you've spent here with me. This year came with lessons, growth, and faith that carried me, and I pray this story reminded you that you're not alone in your journey either. This was Sharp's Corner, a space for reflection, faith, and becoming. If this encouraged you, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who may need it, and subscribe to All Things Drea for more encouragement in the year ahead. And before you go, leave a comment and tell me, how did this story encourage you today? And what are you believing God for next? As you step into what's ahead, remember this: be fearless and be limitless. Until next year, keep walking in faith.